guys, let's unbox na naman. This is Satoru Gojo, Ichiban Kuji. Prize D from Jujutsu Kaisen Nina line, tara. Oops! Sealed pa talaga ang item na ito guys, parang gusto kong ayaw na lang buksan. Let's go! Wow guys, grabe amoy Japan. Dilema ko talaga ito guys pag meron mga alt head. Dapat nang i-issue sila ng head holder neto. Happy yarn. Flex time. Ito siya pag naka-blindfold. Superb detailing talaga. Material is PVC plastic po. Ito naman, labas blue eyes. Height pala neto guys is approximately 6 inches. Ito kung gusto nyo i-showcase yung dalawang ulo niya. To more unboxing po. See you again.